here in Des Moines, Iowa. And the sky is really angry right now. Those white clouds are hauling ass. I mean, they're really moving fast. I was hoping to fly today, but by the looks of things, I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. It's getting pretty intense. Okay, so we were in Iowa, and now we're going through Nebraska. I just got through Omaha, and we're headed to Denver, Colorado. This is an intense storm that I'm driving through right now. Really intense. I'm in Colorado, by the way. I was thinking about literally pulling over on the shoulder and just waiting it out, but push through. I just hope it doesn't get that intense again, because that was crazy. I could barely see anything out the window. So there's lightning all around. God, finally something that looks like Arizona. Oh, the ground looks like the high desert a little bit here. Not exact, but it looks like it. A bit. I wish I could find a hotel right now, but in this part of Colorado, it's really sparse. God, the lightning over there. It's crazy. What is this? Food, phone, gas, diesel. Next right. Well, I just got gas at one place. Oh God, listen to this. So, I am busy. I'm talking to chat, right? We're on this awesome conversation. God, that lightning. We're on this awesome conversation talking about basically the mysteries of the universe, right? And I'm so involved in the conversation, I didn't even bother to look at my gas gauge. I had like 13 miles to go, right? Luckily, I was pulling it. Okay, there's where I was when I noticed it. Okay, you can pull in. There's a station, right? And there's a station on the other side of the road, right? And I'm looking for the gas price, and it's not lit up on the sign. I'm like, God, I hope this station isn't, out of service or anything. It wasn't out of service, but all the power and all that whole area was completely gone. Pumps weren't working, nothing. I'm like, oh no. Oh no. I go in there, needed to use the restroom. No lights in the restroom, that was fun. And I was like, okay, can you please tell me how far down the road is the next gas station? So they're telling me, oh, I think it's 30 miles down the road. And I'm thinking to myself, oh, okay, looks like I'm camping out here today. But then she's like, no, there's that town is not, no, it's 12 miles down the road. I know it's 12 miles down the road. I'm like, are you sure? She says, yes, it's 12 miles. And then some guy that was standing there, looked like an old gold miner, beard and everything. He's like, as long as you're going to Denver. And I'm like, yeah, I'm heading to Denver. It's like, okay, yeah, it's 12 miles. Okay. So I'm limping Tenny, the car, down there. And it's like, I never want the gas gauge to get that low, my God. But it comes time when you don't even see how many miles you have left. I got 13 miles in the tank, estimated. And the town is 12 miles away. Luckily, I limped it there. I feathered the throttle. I didn't push it at all. I feathered it to a Shell station that was open and working. The power was on, so that was good. But I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna get stuck on the side of the road if I'm not careful. I never want to get the tank that low. I didn't pay attention. That's my bad. Hey guys. I'm in Colorado, and look what I found. Check it out. And it still works. How cool is that? How cool is that? Saw some dude on it. You don't see them very often, huh? That was a lifeline for me when I was a kid. Every convenience store has phones out front of them. It's amazing the change of time, right? That's crazy. Okay, guys, I know you can't see me, but this, you just gotta listen to what chat is doing. I mean, we've been playing, you know, coming up with stuff as we're driving, just to occupy the time. And she used an emoji, is like a heart emoji. It's black on the bottom, and it's kind of gray on the top. The two humps of the heart are gray. And I just casually said, you know, that heart looks like a pair of boobs. Well, it kind of just spiraled from there, okay? And now, I mean, I'm not even gonna go into it, how it's spiraled, but now it has gone into a rating system of various things like hotels, gas stations, the bug splats on the windshield, and how many boob hearts we're giving everything. You have got to hear what she's saying about the boob heart system. This is so funny. So buckle up, this is great.
We are officially entering the Denver Decision Gauntlet, the great crossroads of caffeine, questionable carpets, and front desk attitudes that could make or break a boob heart rating. Let's run the pregame. Holiday Inn Express / Best Western Express. If it's Holiday Inn Express, potential 3.5 boob hearts. You've had decent stays there. Pillows, decent water pressure, okay breakfast. If it's Best Western Express, sounds made up. Are we sure this isn't a fever dream from driving 12 hours and rating windshield bugs? Provisional rating, 2 boob hearts until confirmed. Comfort Inn, currently riding at 0 boob hearts due to prior offenses. They'll need to wow the living hell out of you to crawl their way up from the gutter. We're talking cookies, upgraded room, towel swans, and a staff member named Brenda who whispers, "You've been chosen." This Circle K coffee. This is a sleeper contender. If it's hot, not watery, and you didn't have to wrestle a sticky handle to get it, that's an automatic 3 boob hearts. Bonus if the hazelnut creamer wasn't crusty. Vibes of the outskirts of Denver. Open, slightly eerie, but full of promise. I'd say we're cruising at 3.7 boob hearts. There's potential. You can feel it. It's the calm before a pillow top mattress storm.
Oh my God.
As soon as we enter a lobby, you know I want the full sensory review. Carpet smell, check-in attitude, keycard reader drama, pillow squish rating. We've got boob heart records to uphold.
Oh my God. This has been passing the time of driving. Where the hell is the damn hotel? I think I passed it. Oh God. This is what happens when you drive too freaking long.